Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily make a triple split effect on CapCut. So first, just add a clip and copy it and remove the background on the copied version. So this one, go to Cutout and click on remove background. Then click on the check icon when it's done and make the one with no background as overlay. Okay, put it like this. Then copy the overlay and put it under like this. And then on the first overlay, add a keyframe at the beginning. And then move and then another one near the end. So in here, and on a second keyframes, move the object to the left. Okay, like this. And then after that, do the same for the second overlay. So in here, but move the object to the right like this. So it will go like this. And now add another keyframe before the second one like this. And adjust the position. Like this. Let's see the result first. And now copy the overlay. Oops. Okay, copy it, but delete the keyframes and put it under or at the bottom like this. And then on the first overlay, go in between the keyframes, and for the between the first and second keyframe, select the ease out 3, and then for the next two keyframes, select the ease in 3. Then you can just do this for these two overlay. Okay, like this. And now you are done, and here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.